Uh, we have two more presentations, which unfortunately 7 minutes each. And first of all, we are going to the most northwestern part of Indonesia, province of Aceh, very historically sensitive place of Indonesia. And I would like to invite Governor Pak Hermadi Yusuf to give the presentation.
Good day, Dobiden. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished Governor of Indonesia. Please let me briefly explain about Aceh, a place that you remember well some years ago, but 12 years ago, as mentioned by Mr. Mikhail, the place that been riddled by internal conflict, by tsunami, by any other much minor disaster, that now we have recovered, we heal, and Aceh, which used to be a place for war, and now Aceh is peace like in paradise. The paradise that has to be filled with development to compensate the time we lost during the conflict and during the recovery from disaster. We have a lot to offer. We have a lot to sell. Our land is so rich, need to explore and to exploit accordingly. We have beautiful beaches, 1,000 kilometers of beaches, all beautiful, even though some years ago been destroyed by tsunami. But now, it again is beautiful. And we have a lot of natural resources, like oil and gas. We now have found new resources in our southern shore in Indian Ocean, but not far from mainland. We have a geothermal to exploit about 1,000 megawatt potential. And we have hydro energy, hydropower, with about 2,000 megawatt potential, maybe more. All need our hand. And for the agriculture product, we have coffee. Mr. Governor of Lampung may claim Lampung coffee is the best. But he forgot to mention that his coffee is the best Robusta coffee. While my coffee is the best Arabica coffee. Gayo coffee is salty. We could not mix with other coffee. So please, if you are a coffee drinker, you used to drink Italian coffee, we set a new standard in coffee drinker. Kayu coffee. You got to try that. And let's get back to investment. We need investor. We do need investor. We have an island, very beautiful island. It is located in the westernmost of the province, which is also the westernmost of Indonesia, the Pulau, the Sabang Island. Do you show the Sabang Island? Sabang Island is deep seaport. It located in the west, in the gate to Malacca Strait, the western gate of Indonesia. It can accommodate super cargo and super tanker. And in 2019, I heard good news that China and Thailand has agreed to open the channel communicating from Indian Ocean to the Gulf of Siam, Thailand. And Sabang has a role to play, big role. And Sabang is a place for bunker. You would like to bunker your oil, and a place for cargo hub, and also the good place for the oil refinery. Sabang, according to regulation, is out of Indonesian custom, no tax there, and the port is a free port. So we welcoming you to invest in Sabang. No tax, no income tax, no import tax, no export tax, nothing. And we have also one more special economic zone, the Lok Sumawe, formerly known as oil and gas facility, the biggest in the world, but now the thinnest in the world, because the gas resource has been exploited. So we turn the facility from exporting to be importing and regasification, as well with other industry. What more to say?
We need to come.
You need to come. You need to see by yourself. You need to come. You need to do mutual investment in Aceh. And please give me 1 more minute to show the video. The video on the beauty of Aceh province.
We live in religious harmony. If you have never heard it before, you may now find it intriguing. You may want to know every square inch of this place. From the beauty of its lands to the depths of its seas. Start your journey. Travel to the place which its traditions So my friends, meet this friendly people. After all, welcoming guests is their tradition. The life of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.
Thank you very much.
And finally, we are coming back to Java.